Today we're making Yemista. Number one, we prepare the vegetables. Take your capsicum, cut him off the top, and clean him up the inside. Get the melanzane, cut the lid. Now we're taking this one out and chop him up. Tomates, open them, stop just before the end. Take him out the inside. Now blend him up just a little bit so he's a little bit more thicker. On the gazi, 1/4 cup Greek olive oil, 3 diced onions, 4 or 5 chopped garlic. Now mix them up to give some color. 500 grams beef mincemeat from a Greek cow. When he's not pink, 1.5 cup washed rice. Mix and cook him for 2 minutes. Add aside the chopped eggplant, 1/2 cup chopped parsley and 1/2 cup chopped meat, 1/4 cup dill. Mix him up a little bit. 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, and 1/2 tablespoon Greek oregano. Now put all the tomatoes inside and cook him few minutes. You want him sloppy, but not like super. Put some salt and pepper. Now put your stuffing inside the vegetables. Stop just before the top because the rice is growing up a little bit. Anything left, put inside the bottom. Get some patatas and put them in the holes. It's gonna help holding everything together. Plus, who doesn't like patatas? Put 1 cup olive oil. Put a little bit more salt at the top and a little bit more pepper. Put some wet baking paper to cover him with alcohol. Put him in the oven, 180 degrees Celsius. Do your stavro. Take him out after 1 hour. Now put him back inside. So he's got the color and you're happy. Roughly 1 more hour, he's done. Before we're serving, leave to relax a little bit. Take what you're needing. Little bit juice. It's bloody beautiful, mate.